Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now if you are a Brizy user and want to enable the Brizy templates option in the starter templates in the latest version of the starter templates plugin, then you can basically enable it in just a few steps. Now for this, what you need to do is you need to head over to settings in your WordPress dashboard, which is right over here. You need to click this. It will take you to the general settings. Now in general settings, what you need to do is you need to scroll down to the very bottom until and unless you find this option starter templates. Now right in front of it is the option to enable Brizy page builder templates in starter templates. What you need to do is you need to select this option and then save the changes. Once the settings is saved, what you need to do is you need to head over to the starter templates library and see if the Brizy templates option is enabled. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to head over to appearance and then click starter templates and open it in a new tab. Now again, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click this block editor option, this drop down right over here, and now you can see the Brizy option is present right over here. Okay, so let me just select Brizy and you will see the templates. Now in case you want to download these templates or use these templates in your design, then what you can do is you can basically select any one of these templates and then you need to go through its import flow. Now for the import flow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new video for it, how you can basically import templates from starter templates on your website and use them easily. So you need to wait for that video. But for right now, this is what you get. Now if you want to use the premium Brizy templates, what you will have to do is you will have to get the essential bundle from Astra. Now before we dive into the pricing of the essential bundle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a small recap of everything that we have discussed in this video till now, and for that let me just close this tab right over here. Now first things first, the Brizy templates option was deprecated in the starter templates plugin version 3.0 and above. Now if you are a Brizy user and want to use the templates from the starter templates plugin, then what you need to do is you will have to go to settings in your WordPress dashboard. Doing this will take you to the general settings, and then what you will have to do is you will have to scroll down to the very bottom until you find the starter templates option. Now once you find the starter templates option, right in front of it will be the option to enable the Brizy page builder templates and starter templates. You will have to select this option like this and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, what you need to do is you need to go back to the starter templates library, and there you will find the option for Brizy. Now selecting this will show you all of the templates for the Brizy page builder by starter templates.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.